Now we are going to connect the app with the Moralis, and the Moralis can let us log in with Metamask. And so we already signed in, and before this we have to install the package. So you can take a look at the library, and we have to install the Moralis and react Moralis. So we copy this. We do not need this because we already created an app with Next.js. So we type yarn add. So we stop this and type yarn add Moralis and react Moralis. And then we can go to the admin page if you already logged in, and then we create a new server, and then we create a local development change, and then at here we type learn Metamask login, and then we select the region, and then we select the chain, and then we add instance. And this just looks like the Firebase to create a server, and then we can see the details by clicking on this. And later we need the server URL and application ID in order to connect with this Moralis server. So now we can back to the app, and if you look at the library, the documentation, we have to import the Moralis providers. So we go to the app and we go to the index, the app, and then we import the Moralis provider, and then we copy this. We use the Moralis providers to wrap the component. So we need to use the circle bracket. And then we copy the app ID from the admin page. You can see the app ID is here. And paste to here. So the server URL. And now we can try to take a look. And we type yarn dev. And now you can see we have the module not found, cannot resolve the magic SDK, and this is the warning. And if you want to solve this warning, you can go to our Medium article, and we can copy this line, and we have to add this to package the magic SDK and the wallet connect. So we stop the server, we paste to the terminal, and click enter. Now this will install this to package. Now after we already finished the installation, we can type yarn dev. And now we can see there is no warning, and because we already installed the two packages.